Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wanted to save your entire Squarespace website as a PDF, either to share with a client, keep for your records, or just review it offline, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 clear and effective ways to turn any Squarespace page into a PDF file, even though Squarespace doesn't offer a direct Save as PDF button. I'll walk you through each step, explaining exactly what to click, why it matters, and how to make sure your PDF looks just the way you want. Let's jump right in with the quickest method, using your browser's built-in print feature. First, navigate to the page you want to save on your Squarespace site. Once you're there, simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard if you're on Windows or Command+P if you're on Mac. This shortcut opens up the print dialog box for your browser. Now, instead of choosing a connected printer, look for the option that says Save as PDF. Go ahead and select it. You're not just printing, you're essentially telling your browser to convert what you see right now into a clean PDF file. If you're previewing your site, this method captures everything just as it appears. After you select Save as PDF, simply click the Print button. Don't worry, nothing will actually print out. Instead, you'll be prompted to name your PDF file and choose a location to save it. This can take just a few seconds, and once it's done, you'll have a PDF copy of your Squarespace page ready to share or archive. Now, if you need to capture an entire scrolling page, maybe your site is long, with sections that go beyond what's visible on your screen, here's another method that works beautifully. Because Squarespace doesn't have a built-in PDF export, we're going to use a Chrome extension called Go Full Page. Extensions like this are handy add-ons that let you do more right from your browser, and Go Full Page specializes in capturing full web pages, including parts only visible if you scroll. Start by heading over to the Chrome Web Store. This is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions, and you can get there by typing Chrome Web Store into Google, or just visiting chrome.google.com Web Store. In the search box at the top left, type Go Full Page. It should show up as one of the top options. Look for the icon with a camera and the name Full Page Screen Capture. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. The extension will now appear as a little icon near the top right of your browser window, ready for action. Next, go to the Squarespace website page you want to save as a PDF. Make sure all the content you need is loaded and visible. Then, click the Go Full Page extension icon. It'll start capturing everything. Don't worry if it scrolls automatically. That just means it's grabbing the entire web page, no matter how long. This process might take a moment if your page has lots of images or content. Once it's done, a preview window will pop up. You'll see an option right there to export as PDF. Click that button, and in a few seconds, your PDF will be ready to download. Both these methods ensure you get exactly what you need: a beautiful, shareable PDF of your Squarespace website. Whether you want to back up your design, share content with someone who prefers PDFs, or simply keep records, these steps make it simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck saving your Squarespace site as a PDF.